Welcome back. Now, there's no point spending a fortune on kids' clothes, considering how quickly they grow out of everything. But you do want them to feel comfortable and confident in what they're wearing.
Yeah, so we sent our reporter Suze Gray to find out how you can save money and still be stylish by shopping second hand. And it's a lot of fun too.
I have an 8-year-old and a 5-year-old.
What do you think is the hardest thing about shopping for your girls?
It's definitely hard in terms of finding things that fit within the budget because so often they want new things all of the time, but also they grow out of them really quickly, or they see something their friend has and they really want it, so it can be tricky.
Eco-stylist Faye De Lanty has a very simple solution for this common parenting problem.
So your local op shop is an absolute haven. There's lots of great brands here, lots of on-trend items, and the quality is really good, and not to mention, really inexpensive. So when you come here, my tip, first of all, is just to really keep it simple. Just start with the basics, a good denim jacket, some t-shirts, jeans, and then build from there. Secondly, shop the whole store, so not just the section for your child. So if you've got a little girl, definitely look in the little boys section as well. Even have a look in the adults, because a blouse can actually work really well as a dress for a little girl.
Love that.
Then thirdly, reinvent. So a classic item or a really simple sort of formal piece can actually be totally reinvented, and I'll show you how to do that.
Should we just grab the coat?
Sure, we're shopping for the kids, but it's only fair that we pick out a few items for mum too.
Nice simple jacket, we can do a lot with that.
Yeah, definitely.
Try it on, that's the thing. I kind of throw the sizes out the window when I come op shopping, you know, because you've just got to try it.
So you girls have been shopping?
Yeah.
How much fun was that?
It was so much fun.
As you can see, we're rocking a lot of on-trend items here. So
Yeah.
we've got leopard print, we've got turtlenecks, we've got spots, florals, and they're really functional, easy to wear. Mum said that she definitely wanted some pieces that were, you know, they're going to take the full brunt of the kids running around. And they're all really hardy pieces, but yeah, still super cute.
And I have two Guess things on. This is Guess and this is Guess.
Wow,
So this whole outfit is about $25 and Saatchi's is $15.
that's amazing. So Faye, with Jess's outfit, you've kept it very simple.
She's running around a lot with the girls, going to school, going to meetings for her jobs, but this is a beautiful piece that you can get so much wear out of. And I mean, just look at the quality of what you can find here.
I have to say, this looks very expensive, an expensive look.
It really wasn't. It was like $50.
Okay, are we all happy with these looks?
Yeah.
Are you excited about showing me your going out outfits?
Yeah.
So what I wanted to show you with these outfits is how you can reinvent things. So if you have a look at Portia's outfit, this looks like a skirt, but it's actually a dress. And the reason we chose this top was because it was a nice print clash. So the anorak I actually found in the boys section. And as all girls do, we like a bit of bling, don't we? So
At any age?
Yeah, this is a little cluster of vintage brooches. So these were all about $2 or $3, I think.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm dying to know about Saatchi's number.
Again, this is a great case for reinvention. This is actually a communion dress. A lot of little girls probably have this at home, so this is how you can totally reinvent it. This is a denim jacket from the boys section, and then I've made a little mini bum bag, because that's a big trend. So this is a tiny wallet, some little brooches, and a belt.
Where would you wear this outfit, do you think?
To a party.
I think so. Are you amazed at how much bang you can get for your buck when you're op shopping?
100%. You can really make that budget go a long way.
Amazing.